Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I hope you are good. How are you doing? Good morning to you all. Good morning. Now, good morning, yo. So I'm here this morning to show you how I take my products. Okay. Many people have been asking me, you don't show us how you take it. You don't show us how you take it. I said, okay, no problem. This morning I'm going to show you people how I take my products. This is my color formula. You can see. So this cup come with these products. This flask come with these products, so that when you want to use it, you don't have to stress. Then you put your water inside the cup. This one is good. You put your water inside the cup. This is the spoon. This for belly flat, to detour yourself. For any sickness, any nyama inside you. This to detour yourself. You understand? So look at it. You take 1 spoon of it. 1 spoon. You put it inside the water. You can put 1.5 spoon, child. You can put 1.5 spoon. Depends how you want it. Then you cover it like this. I'm doing this because a lot of people have been asking me, you don't show how you take your products and all that. So I said, okay, when I want to take it this morning, I said, okay, let me show you people how I take my product. This is how I take my product. Especially my girlfriends. They have been asking me, Antonia, you don't show us how you take it. You don't show us. I think you are not taking it. I'm taking it. So this is the product I take. So I cannot be coming to live video and be telling you, come and buy products, come and do business. With that, I don't take the product. No. I have to take it first. I have to be assured for what I will say to you. If not, I will not come here and introduce the product to you. So when you put it like that, then you shake it. You shake it very well. Blessing, I hope you dey see am. You shake it very well. Then you are good to go. This is your breakfast. So yummy. I'm so happy. It's finished. This is how I take my product. You can take it with latte. You can take it with juice. You can also take it with water. Man, you know, I don't like sweet things. I always prefer water in any product that I want to take. I always prefer to use water to take it, because with water is the perfect way to take products. I'm just telling you the truth. You can use milk. You can use soya milk. Depends how you want it. If you are that side that did not like anything that did not taste well, you can use latte. I call it milk. If you are not living in Italy, you can use milk. You can use juice to take it. So that is how I take my product. You see it? I just finished taking my product this morning. I have another one again. Let me show you. This Plezomine. Plezomine. This one, I take this one when I want to take my lunch. I take it 20 minutes before my lunch. With that, whatever food I eat in my lunch will not store in my body. I will take this capsule. I'll take the capsule 20 minutes before my lunch. Before my lunch. Then, after eating my lunch, enjoying everything that I want to enjoy in my lunch, 20 minutes again, I will just go to the toilet and flush it away. You see, it's very good. I'm happy. The product is amazing. Yes. I really like the product. In fact, I like all the products I've been taking. All the fruit products I've been taking. You know what I like about all these products? They're made with fruit. Because I cannot go to the market and buy a lot of fruit. I'll be eating. If I buy, let's say, for example, if I buy 3 apples before I ate 2, I'm tired. If I cannot even eat 1.5 apple a day, I can't eat. I don't know. Let's not deceive ourselves. I don't know. I cannot consume 1.5 apple a day. So this product, everything inside. When you take a spoon of this product, you ate a lot of apple, a lot of fruit, a lot of strawberry, a lot of cucumber, a lot of fruits. So it's just a fruit product. It's a fruit oat. It's not a medication, but it works like a medication. It works like a medication. So I said, let me show you how I take my product. Good morning to you all. Thanks for watching. I said, let me show you how I take my products. This is how I take my product. I hope blessing you are watching me. Oh, don't come and ask me, hey, you don't show us how you take the product. You always tell us. No. So I've shown you how I take my product today. This is my Plezomine. I take it 20 minutes before my lunch. As I take this now, I wait for my lunch 2:30. If you are that type that eats quickly, that take your lunch quickly, you can take your lunch 1 o'clock. But if you have this Plezomine in your house, you take it 20 minutes before your lunch. You see, when you do that, whatever you ate in your lunch, whatever you enjoy will not store in your system. It will not store in your body. Look at me. I'll be taking these fruit products. I'll be taking all these fruit products because I know what I want. I know what all these fruit medication I've done in my life. Not only this, I have another product that I've been taking before. That product also is amazing also. It's amazing because I cannot be ungrateful to any product. They really work in my life. They changed my life for me. So this one, I just start doing the business with this Life Plus, and the business is so good. Even if you cannot introduce it. Maybe in the month you get into the business, you cannot get anybody. Don't worry. Be focused. Believe on yourself. One day I will get somebody who will be with me. Believe on yourself. I will get somebody who will be with me, who will do everything with me. Okay? Just believe on yourself. But if you need the product, you don't have to worry. Like me, I need the product. I don't have to worry. I didn't get anybody that will do the business with me this month. Oh, no. I make up my mind to use the product. Why will I be complaining? Why will I be shouting? Why will I be saying, hey, what will I do? This no. I use the product. I use the product for myself. Okay? I use the product for myself. And as I'm using the product, the company still give me, they still give me my bonus. They still give me my commission. So why will I be complaining? I go to supermarket sometimes, like like Conan. I buy things of more than 300 euro, more than 200 euro, more than 100 euro. They will not give me anything in return. They will not give me anything in return. But this product, you order a product of 80 euro, product of 65 euro, product of 75 euro. At the end of the month, they will give you a little part of it. Is that not good? So, what of if you introduce this product to a lot of people? Don't you think that the company will pay you handsomely? That is how. That is just it. I'm just encouraging you. If you are still there, you are feeling that I can't do this business. I don't know. I don't have money. I don't want to. Don't look at your money. If you want to take care of me, people that know me, they know me that if me, Antonia, I want to take care of myself, I don't mind the length I will take, except it's not a bad length. I don't mind the length I will take to take care of myself, to be okay. Look at the way I'm looking like now. Am I not okay? Am I not okay? Before, and I still want to calm down. I still want to calm down. I want to be that Sisi where my husband met me before, you know. I want to go back to that Sisi. Okay, this product is amazing. If you want to do the business, contact me. Let's talk. Inbox me. If you want to buy the product, you don't want to do the business, you just want to buy the product for yourself, to use for yourself, inbox me. Let's talk about it. Don't be ashamed. Don't be afraid. If you want to go into anything, don't be afraid. Just hope in God. Put hope in God. God does everything. That is me. When I want to do anything, I say, God, take control. When I pick a product, even though that product is not working for other people, that product must work for me. Even though that product is not working for other people, that product must work for me, because I have the faith. I believe that this product must work for me. And I take it and I follow the instruction. The most important thing is for you to follow the instruction of that product. Don't take product of your own because it's come now. They ask you to take 1 cup or 2 cups. You go and take half cup because the product is not tasty well. You go and taste half cup. No, it's not like that. You understand? The product is not bitter. It's not bitter. Just like, say some of us, we need a sweet something, and that sweet something is killing us. We don't know. It's killing us. That is how you need this product, to clean it, to clean your system. Clean your system. I take all the fruit products. Anyone they introduce, when I see that this one is good, I take it. You understand? All the fruit product is good. If anyone comes to you, I have this product, you see the product as a fruit product, take it. They have no effect. I've been taking it. No effect. Rather, it make you live healthy. It make you live healthy, strong. You see? If I want to take products, I take it and I make it to work for me. Don't take products and go out and do other things. You don't follow the instruction. You think that product will work for you. No. That is, some people say that Juice Plus is not working for me. Juice Plus is not working for me. That is not truth. Because I take that Juice Plus. It worked for me. It worked for me. It changed things in my life. I also started to take this now. I know it will change things in my life. Since I've been taking this now for 1 month now, I know what this thing have changed in my life. I know what this product have changed in my life. Please, let's not spoil any product. Every product is good. Let's take it the way they ask you to take it. That does it. Please. This product now is Life Plus product. This is Life Plus. You can see, I just show you how I drink it. This is how I drink it. If I want to, what I will ask, can I take the product with water? If they say yes, water is the best way to take products. Don't go and bring juice that have a lot of sugar. You put it inside the product. That product cannot work. Use water to take it. Sugar have nothing to do in your body. Always heart pain. Okay? Yeah, I say let me show you how I take my product. If you want to join Life Plus business, inbox me, let's talk. If you want to detour your tummy, you need belly flats. You need belly flats like me. Inbox me, let's talk. If you want to lose sexy, inbox me, let's talk. Okay? If you want to lose weight, inbox me, let's talk. So whatever you need it for, this product works for many things. You understand? It works many things. Just inbox me, let's talk. Not everything will be saying here. Inbox me, let's talk one-on-one. Okay? I'm waiting for you. Bye. Alright. You see, I'm working. This is my work for now. Okay? I take it as work because wherever you earn money from is work as well. Okay? I'm so happy because I can't just imagine. I go to supermarket, I pick a product, and the company return the part of the money to me. Hey, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing. Okay, friends, I'm inviting you. If boy can do this business, if you are a man or boy, you can also reduce weight. Too much of fat is not even good for men. If let's say is little bit good for women, it's not good for men at all. How can a man be fat? Belly will be like this. Yansh, man when get yansh and belly now, it don't make sense. You understand? Inbox me, let's talk. You understand? You can use this product to make yourself okay. You understand? To make yourself okay. Even woman, too much of fat is not good for woman. It's not good though. Hey, I'm talking for experience, so it's not good. Come on, let's talk. Don't allow your husband to go outside and be looking down. Young girl that have flat tummy, young girl that looks sexy. No, look at me. I'm coming, I'm just coming. By the time you see me, not in next 2 months, you don't know me again. You don't know me again. That is how I do my thing. When I need something, I grab it and I work with that thing. I make that thing to work for me. That is how I do my things. Okay? I make it because I know that the company that make that product, they don't just make it if it is not working. It depends on who take it. Depends on who take the product. No, it's not really about the product. It depends on who take the product. You understand? You cannot be taking products at night level 7 o'clock. You still eat pando. It's not done. That product is not, it's not an iron that will be hammering your body to go. No. You take products, you do things that will make the product to work on your body. If it's a little exercise, you can do it. You understand? Okay, you tell some people that take this product 2:30 or 1:30 before you take your lunch. Some will take products for 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. 11 o'clock they will eat. When they want to eat, they will eat. No, if you are taking product, even if you want to take your lunch, if you have a big plate for, let me show you one time. Come here, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm doing this especially with the girls, with the women. Please, if you are taking products, even normal diet, look at this plate now. Look at it. They are not the same size. If you are taking these products, if maybe when you want to take your lunch before you start taking these products, you were using these big plates to eat. Then when you start taking products, you now you put yourself in diet. Yes, you put yourself in diet. You take the product will be your breakfast. Then when you want to take your lunch, you have to reduce the plate. Reduce the plate. Reduce. Food is not everything. Reduce the plate. Then you take the little plate more than smaller than the plate, smaller than the big plate you used before. Then you take it. Even if you are not okay, drink water, go and relax. Food is not everything, especially with women. Food is not everything. Don't just be eating. You take chocolate that make for children. It's not good. Before you know, even if you don't want the product, I'm advising you now, even if you don't want the product, you want to do diet. In the morning, you can take something light. When you want to take your lunch, like I showed you before, if this one is the big plate you have been using before, reduce your plate. Reduce it. With that can help you to go for the diet. Reduce your plate. You understand? Even woman that is looking for a baby, looking for fruit of the womb, I pray God bless all of us all this year. It's not too much of fat is no good. Before I met all these fruit products, my doctor told me that you have to lose weight. You know, my doctor puts me 3 days run. Every 3 days in a week, I run. Even when I'm tired, I run. You see? I do all that. I didn't lose any weight though. I didn't lose it. But when I started taking all these products, first, I take the other product before. When I started taking all these products with that and with that exercise, even if you don't want to do exercise, you can take this product, just reduce your plate. It's okay. Reduce your plate is okay. You understand? There is many things you can use as a swallow. If you are that type that loves swallow too much, there is many things. You can go and buy those. There is some flour like plantain. You can make it yourself. You can buy plantain in the market. Blend it. You blend it very. Maybe one of these days I will show you that. You blend it very well. Then you turn it like semo. You turn it if you want. Even if when you are taking that plantain as a semo, don't still take it much. You still have to reduce your plate also. And beware for meat. No, meat is not enjoyment too. Meat not be enjoyment o. Before I don't know, I think say meat na enjoyment. I'll go market, I go buy meat. After when I do everything, I sit down, they chop, and I say, oh, I dey enjoy. Not be enjoyment o. You see fat when you build on yourself with 10 euro, eh? Hey, if you want to release that, if you want to reduce that fat, if you want that fat to go, eh? You will spend 600 euro, that fat will not go. Fat, so when you just build on yourself with 10 euro, if you want that fat to go, eh? You will spend 600 euro, that fat will not go. That's why we have to be careful for what we eat. You understand? So, hello my beautiful people, my loving brothers, my loving sisters. I am just excited. I don't know. I'm just, because my body right now, I'm so light, so very light. Okay, I am so very light. I can run. Before I can't run, no, I can't even. People when you know me, they will tell you now. Before I can't run. If Puma just let me say a little bit far, maybe. Hey, let's run. I can't. But now, try me now. I will run from my house to Puma stop. The Puma will not go. I will still enter the Puma and go. So it's so amazing. You understand? I'm very happy. Look at me. You see it? Look at me. I know I'm still little bit hard, but I'll still bring it down, because I'm more than this before. If you see this my hand before, they're not the reason. So wanna try. If you want to do the business, so you're welcome. If you don't want to do the business, you just want to be using the products, you're welcome. You can still register yourself. If you want to be using only the products, you can still register yourself. You'll be just be ordering the product every month. This product is all about living healthy. Okay? Live healthy, oh, so that you last, oh. You understand? Take care of yourself, oh, so that the money you are fighting to get now, you enjoy it at your old age. You enjoy it, oh. Hey. Okay. I've said it. I come to encourage you anyway, just for you to know that I love you all, and I want the best for you. You know, if you need the products, inbox me. And if you want to do the business, inbox me, let's talk. If you don't want to do the business, you just want to be using the products, inbox me, let's talk. Okay? Bye. Don't say this. Sorry, wait, don't say that I'm slim. I don't need this product. I'm slim. No, you need this product for other things inside you. For other things, just call me, let's talk. I cannot be saying everything here. You know, it's not permitted to be saying it here. Just inbox me. Even when you are slim, you are passing through a lot of even stress, even man that go a lot of stress, that do hard work. If you are a man, you do hard work, inbox me, let's talk. Maybe after work, finish the work, you come home and relax and be tired, even to go bath, you no fit get up. Inbox me, let's talk. There is a product for you. Inbox me. There is a product that you will take even when you are working, you will not be tired. Just inbox me, let's talk. Okay? I leave you for now. Bye. Love you. Please inbox me, let's talk. Inbox me, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Inbox me. Inbox me, let's talk. Okay? These products, they are so amazing. Okay? If you still need them for your skin, if you still need this on your skin, inbox me, let's talk. Stretch mark, people, just inbox me. There is many work this product can do. You understand? We have many products, Daily by Basic, Skin Formula, SMS Plus, many products you can use for yourself. Okay, let me leave you for now. I know that I have encouraged somebody this morning. I'm expecting your call. Let's talk. Be good. Stay blessed for now. Bye.